tell you something else, and I give the banks a lot of credit. I think the banks today are in the best shape they've been in, certainly in my lifetime. Mm-hmm. And I think that notwithstanding that there's this shortage demand, I don't think the banks are going to drop their standards, and that's important. So, because if we get into a bad period, this time around, the banks are going to be there. And I saw Mike Corbett last night. We didn't get a chance to talk, but I'm impressed with the guys running these banks. Jamie, Brian Moynihan, Mike. These guys are solid business people, and they're not going to do foolish things.
But the bank stocks have been under, well, not all of them. A couple of the ones you just mentioned have done very well. Bank of America and JP
Morgan was at a new high last, over 120.
Bank of America's done very well, too.
Yeah, but
financials in general have not done well because of these low interest rates.
Yeah, because
financials can still operate in that?
They're more focused. These big banks have a diversity of business activity.
Yeah.
You know, like JP Morgan's got a robust asset management business, big time. And they do a hell of a job, by the way. I say that as a customer of theirs. And I'm partial because I own some stock. And I'm a big fan of Jamie's.
I completely agree. I mean, I think our overweights are in financials, and the large banks are part of that because they've really got really well-run businesses.
And they're not given any credit for it at this point.
And to the credit part, they're not giving credit easily away like we had in 2009.
That's what I'm saying.
But they're trading at 11 times earnings, 10 times earnings, discounts to book. I mean, look at Morgan Stanley, look at JP Morgan, Blackstone, all these. If you do get this kind of rotation we had last week of a start of it, you're going to go into a value rotation of companies that have secular growth rate. So if you have patience and you're not just looking for momentum, I think that's an area, but it's going to take a little while to play out.